In this video, I'm going to show you how to integrate Facebook lead ad with Zapier. Now, this should be a quick and easy process video. All you have to do is to follow these instructions step by step. So now just go ahead, type in Zapier in Google Chrome or your browser. Then go ahead, click on the first link. And now all you have to do is to click on this plus button that's in the top left. Then click on Zaps to create a Zap. Now go ahead, click on it. After that, just give it a moment to load. And from here, you can automate the Facebook lead by clicking on this, choosing Facebook lead ads. After that, you can trigger an event by choosing new lead. And here you can sign in with your Facebook account to start the process. And here you can choose your Google Sheets as well. So go ahead, type in Sheets. Now just go ahead, select it. Then the action event, you can choose here whatever you want. Then sign in with your account as well. You have to do this in order to continue with your Facebook leads. So go ahead, click on sign in, and then choose your Facebook account, and you should be good to go. After you've done all of that, you can come back and then click on continue to start the process. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.